Welcome back everyone to Jim's Teardrop Garage. Today I'm going to try to skin the rear hatch, put the aluminum on it. I've got it already up here, sitting up here, making sure it fit. Looking pretty good. I'm going to pull it back off and we're going to put a skin on it. Aluminum skin. So hang in there with me. Alright, what I've been using to cut my aluminum with has been a Dremel saw max with a metal cutoff wheel on it. Works pretty good. Alright, we're back in the garage again because the weather's a little bit hot out here in Central Texas. It's supposed to be about 99 or something like that today, so I'm back in the garage. I got AC in here, so working here today, putting this skin on. As you can see, I've got it on there. I had to use small screws here, hold it in place as I was bending it because this is pretty thick. It's thicker than the side aluminum I put on there. So we're going to put the moldings on here today. I've got them cut. Here's the bottom one. Use my miter saw for that. Cutting the angles. So we're going to go ahead and put those on there with number 6 screws. I have to countersink them a little bit, so let's get it on there. Alright, got all the moldings on that rear hatch, plus the hurricane hinges on there, and it's on the trailer now. Fits pretty good, can't complain. It looks like it's going to have a good seal on it all the way around. I don't know if you can see that. It looks pretty good. Alright, I'm in the process of putting the latch on it now. Put the latch on, a couple of prop rods, and a light on it, and we'll be done with the hatch. Okay, follow me. Okay, I've installed the handle out here for the rear latch. And the latch itself is on there. I'll show you that. There's the latch. 2 bars will go all the way across. And go into these little holes down here. That's what locks the hatch up. I also installed the gas shocks here for the rear hatch. They weren't too hard, pretty simple. Yeah. They're both on there. Alright, I hooked up the wiring for the light up here. It's got 2 settings on it. Ooh, pretty bright. And a single on that side. There we go. Alright, we're getting closer here. Got a little adjustment to do, but nothing major. Seems to open and close pretty good. Get some more moldings on here and a tongue box. Alright, stay tuned. Thanks for watching.